Right now,
So we can see your slides.
right now the portal is not active where I can share you. There's a particular there's some particular issue right now, which your IT team is trying to resolve it, and hopefully it will get resolved by first week of September. Okay, so once that gets activated, everything will be shared via that platform to you.
So do we need to take the screenshot, sir, of this particular PPT, or you will send after the topic get over? You will send the PPT, entire
I
PPT of
will
the.
I'll be converting all these PPTs into PDF, and I'll give you the links which you can download all the PPTs. So you don't need to take
Yes, sir.
screenshot. Just hear what I'm
So
talking right now.
because yes,
Okay.
sir, so memory get full, na, that's why. So thank you so much, sir.
Don't take tension. होता है. work from home and study from home में ये सब होता है. I agree. So don't worry, मैं सब provide कर दूंगा. Right now, just focus and try to understand what I'm teaching, because what topic you are learning is one of the tedious and most difficult topics. Lot of times the colleges don't have these topics in the teaching curriculum. I've been teaching for last 15 years. I think this is the second time. Last time when I taught at Whistling Woods, that's where I taught this topic. So a lot of times because this topic is a bit of difficult topic to understand. Right now I'm taking at the base level. Slowly it will become a bit difficult. Okay, so just focus and hear out. You will get all the presentations, question bank, and videos. Okay, so we were here right last time about email marketing. We learned about how SEO helps. We learned about how email marketing helps. You know how webinar is helpful. Lot of people and lot of companies are conducting webinars, because webinar help. The way I'm talking to you, that way, in the same fashion, lot of companies are also conducting webinars, which helps to engage with their user audience, to their customers, and it helps to create thought leadership. Online advertising, you would have come across lot of this kind of ads. Whenever you are reading, say, Times of India online, if you're reading on mobile app, or reading on, say, reading some particular news or say content online, you'll find a lot of ads which appear. These ads are based on contextual or nurture based targeting. So contextual, I'll just explain you what is contextual. So for example, if we are over here, we are looking, see over here, you will see advertisements. You will see advertisements over here. Advertisements over here. See over here, Geo advertisement is there. So all these are advertisements. And this is how you can target and you can engage. So if I'm reading over here, I'll see something related to Policy Bazaar. If I am, say, over here, again this Policy Bazaar ka, then there's some new website ka, then e-learning ka. So this is all part of advertising. Retargeting, what is retargeting? So by the way, all of you would have visited Amazon sometime in life to buy some particular product, and once you don't buy or abandon the cart, क्या होता है, वही same particular product you will see as an advertisement showed to you wherever you go, whether you go on Facebook, whether you go on any particular channel, you will keep on seeing that particular ad continuously. That is called retargeting. So all the platforms will help you to retarget your ads. Contests. So contests help you to drive engagement. You'll go, if you visit a lot of Facebook pages for brands like ya Make My Trip rahega, ya say Yatra rahega, ya go on say Indigo or any particular website, all the B2C wala companies wala website. B2C means which are consumer facing companies. What happens is a lot of times for them to drive a lot of audiences and engage with audiences, they will conduct some particular contest and they will announce that, okay, winner gets say 500 rupees ka gift voucher from Amazon or Flipkart or say Ajio. So all these things are to build the email list. What happens is whenever you participate in that contest, you submit your email ID. and that email ID is then used in email marketing to send you mails, which is why sometimes you might not have ordered, or you might have just ordered once via Swiggy or Zomato, but still you'll keep on getting emails from Zomato. You'll get ads via Zomato, because they know that you had ordered once. So there's a possibility that you can again try. It is very difficult to get a new customer, but whenever you get a customer once, you just need to maintain that customer and churn out more and more business from that customer. So landing pages, website remarketing, lead nurturing, all these things help you to convert leads and visitors to customers. Leads and customers. So this takes us back to our first screen. Stranger, visitor, lead, customer, advocate. So from stranger to visitor to lead, everything, all those campaigns help you to convert them into customers. So what are landing pages? What happens is, a lot of times you will visit a particular page. Why a page is called a landing page? So I'll show you a particular example of a landing page. Can you see this particular page? 10 conventionally unconventional pharmaceutical marketing case studies. This is a landing page because there's only one call to action. You either fill the details and download, or you leave the page. You cannot do any other thing. You cannot visit the website. You cannot do any other thing. Other websites, what happens is, if you go on this website, what happens is, you will see home, about us, services, partners, blogs. There are different tabs over here, and you can visit any particular tab. But when this particular page is there, you can do only one particular thing. There's only one action which you can do. So this is why, this is the reason it is called a landing page. So landing pages help you to generate leads. It helps you to the leads are means people who are interested in to buy the product. So landing page helps you to convert any particular visitor to a particular lead. If you who are not able to understand, please ask me at any point in time, because these are the baselines which you need to know. Based on this, you will understand how analytics works. So if you don't know this thing, you won't understand how analytics is working. So a website, how website helps in lead generation, getting a lot of visitors to the website. So how do visitors land on the website? They will come via social media post. Somebody, the brand will post a lot of social media updates. If you see this, so for example, so you see this particular Facebook page, it is of ITC Royal Bengal. What happens is, this guy, so ITC would have, ITC Royal Bengal would have their Facebook, their Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, different channels. Why those channels are there? Because these channels will help them to drive. So I can call and I can book a particular room. From here, see there's a particular, over here, I'll see over here, I can book the place. So what happens is, this particular updates and everything will take me to their particular website. The whole idea is, your website is your online shop, and to drive lot of people to your online shop, you need to do advertisements and updates at different places. If your shop is offline, what happens is, you'll have hoardings, you will have newspaper advertisements, you will have leaflet inserts in a particular, in different magazines or in the newspapers, which will help you to bring awareness. In this scenario, everything is digital, so everything, you have to drive everything digitally. So website helps you to take lead generation. So you get, say, social media channels is a great tool, and it drives the customers. It drives actually visitors and strangers to your website, which then convert into leads. And then based on how you track them, you can convert a lead into a customer. Lead is a person who is interested but doesn't pay. A customer is a person who has paid to buy a particular product or service. Remarketing. So remarketing, you'll often find ads whenever you visit a particular product, you abandon a cart on Amazon, you'll keep on seeing advertisements related to that particular product. That is called remarketing. You also get email like this thing, miss you, please come back to and finish your purchase, we miss you. So why? Because they knew that you went, you did lot of research, you spent lot of time, and then you added a particular product to your cart, and then before payment you just left the cart. So other day, for example, I'll give you a simple example. Lot of you would be using Netflix to watch movies and all. Okay, but I don't know how many of you are aware of this particular goof up. So Netflix के ऊपर, if you buy 199 का account, okay, that is you can use for mobiles and tablets. If you buy 499 ka package, you can use for mobiles, tablets, as well as you can use for your television, LED TV or something that's a big screen. Now, if you once you buy that particular product, okay, so first you go and buy 199 ka product. After 2 hours or 1 day, you go and say that upgrade my package to 499. But what actually happens is they cannot upgrade your package till the next payment cycle. Understood? So next payment cycle ke time, once they will tell that, okay, next payment cycle, you start paying 499. But what actually translates, what actually happens is ki, you are not able to, they won't complete that payment. And if you cancel at 499, you are charged only 199. Similarly, Audible ke upar you can, what credit is free for you. You go and buy Audible ke Amazon Audible ke liye, books ke liye one particular credit, and after that you cancel that credit. So you get to use that one credit, which is comes at 1 rupee free of cost. And once you cancel it, they don't charge your credit card. You can again refresh, again remove the Audible app, reinstall the app, and again go and buy, use that one credit, which is the first free credit, to buy another Audible book, and then you cancel it. Again, you can use that book free of cost. ऐसा करके Audible के ऊपर मैंने 10 बुक लेके फ्री में पढ़ के हो गया. So why I'm telling you is because all this particular loop of marketing automation में भी कुछ goof ups होता है. And that goof ups you need to capture, and then you can use that particular code. Marketing automation. So marketing automation is a process where your entire marketing cycle goes on automated mode. Right from customer visiting your website, right from anybody visiting your website to that visitor, to that stranger becoming a visitor, from visitor to customer, customer to advocate. The entire cycle marketing automation control karta hai. And there are a lot of applications who are doing this kind of entire journey. There's Salesforce, there's Eloqua, there's Acton, then Marketo hai, Netcore hai. So sales done, else go repeat the process. So for convert customers to advocates, why you need advocates? Because advertising ke upar bahut kharcha hai. You will find a lot of websites where they will ask to give reviews. And if you do review, if you give review, they will give you cashbacks. The only reason why they are giving cashback is it is easily affordable for a buyer for you to give cashback to an customer, existing customer. And existing customer के लिए you can give cashback. But नया customer को cashback देके बोलेगा कि review दे दो, they might not give review. So whoever is happy, ask them to give review and tell them that तुमको $10 का कूपन मिलेगा या $5 का या 500 rupees का Amazon का gift voucher मिलेगा. That 500 rupees का one particular review from that particular person influences that particular person's circle of friends, which helps you to drive lot of audiences to buy your product. इसलिए whenever you buy mobile or whenever you buy any particular product, the company will thrive to ensure that you give some particular review for that particular product. Even if you buy, if you order a particular food on Zomato के ऊपर वो जो डिलीवरी बंदा है वो आके आपको बोलता है ना कि आप मेरे को रेटिंग दे दो, आप रिव्यू डालो. Why they tell? Because it is easy for them to give you some cashback or get you to review than to get a non customer to give a review. So customer surveys are very important because that is what helps you to understand whether whether your services are good, whether your product is good, whether people are happy with your product, people are unhappy with your product, what is that they are looking new things in your product and how it helps them. So this is why most of the companies will always end up doing surveys, because that helps them to build there and increase the business. Advocacy programs. Advocacy program is nothing but a referral program or testimonial program. This program will help you to get more and more people to test products. Like if you registered on Google Beta, what happens is Google keeps on launching new products. You are the first person to get access to those products, to test them and give review about those particular products. So you can participate in the program. It's a free to join program. You don't get paid, but Google gets free reviews done by people. And a lot of people are happy to give reviews. Yeah, any which ways, if any of your friend will ask you, अरे नया मोबाइल खरीदने का है, ये प्राइस रेंज में बता ना कौन सा मोबाइल खरीदने का, या कोई बोलेगा अरे नेटफ्लिक्स के ऊपर कौन सा सीरीज देखो यार, मस्त सीरीज तो ये मेरे को 2-3 घंटे के लिए. You will always end up giving free reviews to those particular people. So what brands do is brands try to get those reviews.